Hello everyone, this is Lindy from Love Create Celebrate, and I am back with a spring inspired project for you all. I love this project because it was inspired by a couple of things I picked up at the dollar store. First, I found these little wooden nesting houses, which I loved and bought immediately. And then I found some terracotta pots, which are always at the dollar store. The first thing I did was find the center on the bottom of my houses, and then I just traced a circle about the size of the lip on the terracotta pots. Next, you want to clamp your house to the side of a workbench or somewhere secure and get your jigsaw ready. Start by drilling a hole close to the inside edge of your circle. That's where your jigsaw blade will start. Then using your jigsaw, simply cut around the inside edge of the circle you drew. When your circle is cut out, you can just use sandpaper to sand the edges so you have a nice smooth finish. And finally, I used my favorite black and white paints from Fusion Mineral Paint and painted the terracotta pots and painted all sides of my houses. Now all you have to do is fill those terracotta pots with some beautiful plants and you're good to go. I recommend using some plants that are low light and low maintenance so that they don't need too much attention on the wall. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comments below. As always, for more great DIYs and tutorials, visit lovecreatecelebrate.com.